Right, I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in the bottom rail transmitter. There's 6 screws. These will all need to be removed. Take the cover off. In here are the two 3.6 volt AA batteries. Remove the batteries. Put the new batteries back in. We're now going to put the cover back on. Make sure that these cables here aren't anywhere near this fixing hole here, and this grommet is seated into there like that. Put the cover back on, ensure in a nice snug fit. Like so, everything's seated correctly. When the batteries have been fitted, the door will need a minute to register that there's new batteries in. So run the door to the top of the opening and leave, and then the door will be fine. There you go.